Okay, so now I'm going to show you is the pelvic diaphragm release. Okay, so what I did before, the first release in the sequence is the lumbosacral release. So if you haven't already seen that video, that will be at the end of this video. I'll link it so you can have a look at that. And that I go into more detail as to talking about things like listening to the still point, the unwinding, direct and indirect release techniques. So it's a lot more detail because I start with that. Because in craniosacral therapy, we do our listening stations, then we start doing the release techniques, and this is the second in the sequence. Right, so what I'm going to go through now is to teach you all about how to do the diaphragmatic, the pelvic diaphragm release. So if you'd love to learn the craniosacral therapy, if you have a look at the links below, I've got a package. You can learn craniosacral therapy online. I've got cranial manipulative techniques online, and also one craniosacral therapy for dogs and cats. And I've also got these all in a discounted bundle. So you can have a look at those below as well. Right, so I'll show you all about how to do the pelvic diaphragm release. Right, so moving on from the lumbosacral release, now we're going to use the sacrum diaphragmatic release, okay? So you can use either hand. You're in the same position as you were, level with the hips. So before, if I show you, you were there with your right hand, okay, with the person's head down there, or you came in from the side, right? Now we're going to come in from, so if I was to do this, I would use my opposite hand because it's just, my hand was up this way before. It's just easy for me to put it here because I'm level with the sacrum. But what you can do is cradle the sacrum coming in from the side, okay? So as we go in there, we're going to put our hand cradling the sacrum, and then the top hand will start at the lower abdomen, just below the navel. Again, just let the person know, get permission, just let them know where you're going to put it right on the edge of the pubic bone. Are they okay with that? So what you do is just slide your hand down till you feel the edge of the pubic bone, and that's it where you are. Get yourself nice and relaxed, clear your head, and then just, now remember, you're not trying to do a lot, all right? I want to kid, so it's really about being inquisitive, curious, feeling what's going on there, and you're just waiting there. Don't think that you have to do a whole heap of stuff. You remember, the inner physician of the client is what's in charge, always in charge. You are creating a fulcrum, if you like, a novel stimulus, if you will. You're creating, what's the word I'm looking for? You're creating a, you know what I mean, don't you? Fuck, I can't think of the word. But you're creating, you're probably there going, they're telling me the word. Anyway, just fulcrum, novel stimulus, the catalyst, if you will, the catalyst for change. There we go, we'll use that. So, but just by doing that, make sure you're nice and relaxed, okay? Your forearm on the table there, nice and relaxed there, hands relaxed, very, very light pressure, and feel what's going on. Feel what is happening in and around there. What tension? This is a really important area. The hips, you've got large muscles, we've got ligaments through the sacrum, the iliums, psoas muscles, iliacus, all of this is there's a whole lot going on here. So we really want to get a great therapeutic release here. So you want to just wait for that, feel what's happening, just observe, just trust the process, okay? As you're just sitting there, you're feeling a release. When you feel it soften, then it's time to move on to your next release point, okay? Soften, is there a still point? What's happening with the craniosacral? Do you feel unwinding? Is there no change? You're not feeling anything. That's fine as well, okay? But just stay quietly there and just feel as you're feeling a sense of warmth, as I said, a tingling, a softening. Do you notice anyone sighing? All of these are showing you there's a therapeutic release, all right? And I say unwinding is a person unwinding when they stop. You might feel there's a release there, a softening, or you've just seen that unwinding, they've stopped, then that'd be enough to move on to the next position, all right? So you see, hand slides underneath into the sacrum, get the person to lift up slightly, hand underneath on the sacrum there, so your sacrum's along here, all right? So we're horizontal against it now. Hand on top of the pubic bone there, and as I say, I've got my arms up, but you'd have them nice and relaxed there, of course, and just center, and as I say, trust the process. Don't be stressed. Don't be trying to think, what do I have to do? Not much. You just sit there, notice, be there, and change will happen. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, you can comment below, and also your resources. I've got fantastic deals with bundles of my online courses, whether it's aromatherapy, whether it's massage. You can have a look at that, and if you're interested, you can go along, click the links, and see if that's something you'd like to do.